how you collect your...
Okay, I wasn't going to make a video of this, but she's trying to show me something about water, how to collect water. Okay, go on in there.
Well, as we know that when we're waiting for our warm water to warm up, since we don't want to be taking cold showers, it takes quite a while and it wastes quite a bit of water. So I have a big trash bin here.
Yeah.
And I just let the water go into there, and I have a pot in there that I put it into another smaller container where I can haul it into the backyard where my lawn is brown.
Okay, so
and needs water.
So when this is going, you just pull that out to catch the water, and you're not being a gutter flooder or wasting water down the drain.
I'm doing what I can.
That's very nice. Thank you very much for sharing that with us. See you next time.
Thank you, Video Joe.
That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.
That was good.